Hi, this is Craig, the founder of SoftPro Water Systems. I hope you're doing well today. I have actually been in the business for over 37 years, and my main focus has always been on treating well water and surface water applications. I've been all over the United States designing, engineering, installing, and servicing water treatment equipment for a well water that ranges anywhere from mediocre to water quality to extremely bad water quality. And I want to go over the two packages that we have had the most success with over the years. So the first system is the Well Plus KDF filter. This is moderate well water application. So if you have a little bit of sulfur, rotten egg odor in your cold water, and you have anywhere from 3 to 5 parts per million iron, preferably clear water iron, not red water iron. What is the difference? The difference is that if you fill up a glass or a bucket of untreated water, and if the water is clear, but of course you're still getting staining in the house, then that is clear water iron. If you fill up a bucket or a container with your cold water, untreated water, and the water has a tint to it, it's like a brownish color, that means you have red water iron, what we call ferric iron. So this system here is specifically for clear water iron. You can easily do the test that I just explained to you by filling up a container or a bucket of some sort of your cold water untreated and look at the color. Okay, and that'll tell you what type of iron you actually have. So let's get started on this. The water softener itself is a high efficiency water softener. It's a 1-inch control valve in and out. It comes with a fine mesh resin, which is specifically engineered for well water applications. It will remove up to 3 parts per million of clear water iron, and it will up to 1 part per million of manganese from the water. The KDF 85 filter that fits inside this tank and attaches to the bottom of the control valve and hangs down about halfway will enhance the performance of the resin bed within this system. It will actually remove up to 2 parts per million of sulfur, which is quite a bit of sulfur, up to 5 parts per million of clear water iron combined with the resin bed, and up to 1 part per million manganese. It is also bacterial static, so it won't let any sort of iron bacteria grow within your system itself. We have engineered this system we installed a higher flow backwash button within the control valve. So when the system goes through the backwash cycles, it has enough gallons per minute going through the control valve, not just to lift the resin bed up to clean it, but also lift the media up inside the KDF 85 filter. You're going to ask, how long does that KDF 85 filter last and how hard is it to replace? Well, that's very simple. Anywhere from 3 to 7 years has been our experience, and when you need to replace it, you simply turn the water off to the system and drain the pressure off of it. Unscrew the control valve from the tank, very easy to do with your hands. Unscrew the media guard from the control valve, screw the new one in, lower it down, hook your water back up, and you're ready to go. Now, for more severe well water issues, we have a combination of the Well Plus Pro Iron Filter System. This system, with a combination of the two put together, will remove up to 30 parts per million of iron, up to 5 parts per million of sulfur, which is a lot of sulfur, and up to 5 parts per million of manganese, which is almost unheard of. And the water hardness, of course, as well. The way this system works is this is an AIO system, what we call air injected optimization system. It is not a chemical type based system, so there is really no maintenance involved with this iron filter at all. When the system goes through a regeneration, it has an air injector on the side that will draw air into the water to create an air pocket. So when you go to use water, it oxidizes that iron, manganese, and sulfur, and then it runs through the supercharged Catalox media filter that has oxidation properties of its own. That's why this system is so effective. The average life expectancy of the media is anywhere from 3 to 10 years, sometimes longer, but it really depends on your water usage and your water quality. That is going to dictate on how often you need to change that media. When the time comes, the media is readily available. We have instructions on how to replace it. It's very easy to do. The water then runs through the high-efficiency water softener using the fine mesh resin that will polish the water off by removing the remaining balance of the iron and manganese and the hardness from the water. If you have any questions, please give us a call on our toll-free number on our website at softprowatersystems.com, or use our live chat, or simply send us an email. Thank you very much, and have a great day.